Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about the mass transfer operation 2, unit number 6, crystallization. And આપણે જોઈએ છીએ example for a calculation of crystal yield. તો example number 3 સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે example number 11.2, 1 અને 2 જોયું હતું. હવે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ example number 3. હવે first of all, calculate the yield of MgSO4 into 7H2O crystals when 1000 saturated solution of MgSO4 at a 353 Kelvin 80 degrees Celsius is cooled to 303 Kelvin 30 degrees Celsius, assuming 10% of the water is lost by evaporation during the cooling part. Okay. Simply, calculation the yield of a MgSO4 into 7H2O. The crystals when 1000 kg saturated solution of MgSO4 at a 353 Kelvin 80 degrees Celsius is cooled to 303 Kelvin, જે 30 degree Celsius પર છે. Assuming 10% of the water is lost by evaporation during cooling. તમારે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ શું કરવાનું છે? percentage yield કોની? MgSO4 into 7H2O ની. તો ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરીએ. ડેટા શું આપ્યા છે તમને? solubility of MgSO4 at a 353 Kelvin 80 degree Celsius and 64.2 kg of 100 kg of water. Okay, the solubility of MgSO4 at a 300 Kelvin, okay, 30 degrees Celsius ma, and is equal to solubility MgSO4 353 Kelvin 80 degrees Celsius માટે is equal to 64.2 kg per 100 kg of water. The solubility of MgSO4 at a 303 Kelvin 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 40.8 kg per 100 kg water. At weight Mg magnesium માટે atomic weight આપ્યો છે તમને. Mg is equal to 24, sulfur is equal to 32, hydrogen is equal to 1 and oxygen is equal to 16. The solution base is 1000 kg of solution at a 353 Kelvin, જે 80 degree Celsius છે, અને F બરાબર છે 1000 kg. The X dash F is equal to weight fractions of MgSO4 in this feed, and 64.2 by 164.2 is equal to 0.391. X dash F બરાબર જે મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ઇક્વેશન્સ છે, F is equal to C plus F વાળું, C plus P. ઓકે, તો X dash F બરાબર weight fractions of MgSO4 in the feed, અને 64.2 divided by 164.2 is equal to 0.391 છે. તો સિમ્પલી આપણી પાસે જે ફીડ સોલ્યુશનનું ઇક્વેશન્સ છે એને યુઝ કરીશું. તો વોટર ઇન ધ ફીડ સોલ્યુશન F is equal to 1 minus X dash F is equal to 1000 in a bracket 1 minus 0.391 is equal to 609 kg. બરાબર. V is equal to kg of water evaporated during the cooling part. So V is equal to 609 multiplied 0.1 is equal to 60.9 kg. बराबर. The X dash is equal to solubility of MgSO4 at a 303 Kelvin and 40.8 kg per 100 kg of water. बराबर. तो M1 is equal to molecular weight of MgSO4 is equal to 120 and MT is equal to molecular weight of MgSO4 into 7H2O is equal to 246. આ મોલેક્યુલર વેટનો ખાસ યુઝ છે, એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરશું. C is equal to yield of the MgSO4 into 7H2O. the crystal from feed solution, the M2 minus M1 करो is equal to water of the crystallization is equal to 246 minus 120 is equal to 126 kg. Okay. હવે મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ઓફ MgSO4 ના બેઝિસ પર જોઈએ આપણે. ઇક્વેશન્સ છે આપણી પાસે ઓલરેડી. Which one equation? This one. Sorry. Material balance of MgSO4 X dash F capital F multiply is equal to C multiply M1 by M2 plus in a bracket F1 minus X dash F minus V minus C M2 minus M1 upon M2 in a whole bracket is over multiply X dash. MgSO4 in a feed is equal to MgSO4 in a hydrated crystals from the plus MgSO4 in a mother liquor at a 303 Kelvin. Okay, the 0.391 feed આપેલો છે આપણને 1000 મલ્ટીપ્લાય સાથે is equal to C જે આપણી પાસે છે નથી એની વેલ્યુ C બરાબર આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. હવે MgSO4 in a hydrated crystal M1 by M2 બરાબર. તો 120 છે મોલેક્યુલર વેટ આપણી પાસે MgSO4 નો અને M2 બરાબર MgSO4 into 7H2O. ઓકે, તો 246 એનો મોલેક્યુલર વેટ છે એને આપણે એડ કરીશું. ઇન અ બ્રેકેટ 1000 in a bracket 1 minus 0.391 the bracket over minus 60.9 minus C in a bracket 126 by 246 bracket is over completely and 40.8 by 100. Okay, the solution करें simply 0.391 multiply 1000 is equal to 391 આવશે is equal to 0.488C plus in bracket માં 609 minus 60.9 minus 5.512C is multiplied 0.408. તો આન્સર મળશે આપણને MgSO4 into 7H2O ના yield ના બેઝિસ પર મળે છે. C is equal to 599.7 kg. Okay. Second example 11.4. A hot solution containing 25% by weight Na2CO3 is cool to 293 Kelvin 70 degrees Celsius and the crystals of Na2CO3 into 10H2O are the precipitated at a 293 Kelvin 20 degrees Celsius માટે and the solubility is a 21.5 kg anhydrous. The Na2CO3 per 100 kg of total water. Calculate the yield of the hydrated Na2CO3 crystals obtained if 5% of this original water the system is evaporated on the cooling and the quantity of mother liquor based on 5000 kg of the hot solution. Atomic weight આપ્યા છે બધાને. Na is equal to 23, C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16 and H is equal to 1. Sorry. All the data in an example 11.14 કે all data તમને આપ્યા છે 5000 kg of the hot solution of Na2CO3 બરાબર. તો હવે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ જોઈએ આપણે 5000 kg of hot solution of Na2CO3 mixed sodium bicarbonate. Na2CO3 is equal to 0.25 multiply 5000 is equal to 1250 kg. So water is equal to 0.75 multiply 5000 is equal to 3750 kg. M1 is equal to molecular weight of Na2CO3 106, M2 is equal to molecular weight of Na2CO3 into 10H2O is equal to 286, and M2 minus M1 is equal to water of crystallizations is equal to 10H2O is equal to 180, and F is equal to 5000 kg. X dash F is equal to weight fractions of Na2CO3 in the feed solution, જે 25/100 આવશે એટલે 0.25 આવશે. હવે આપણી પાસે ઇક્વેશન્સ છે એના માટે તે આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીશું. Given the 5% of water is evaporated, therefore V is equal to the kg of water evaporated during this cooling period. So 0.05 multiplied 3750 is equal to 187.5 kg. The material balance of water, the water in a feed is equal to water of crystallizations plus water in a mother liquor plus water evaporated. Okay, the 0.75 multiplied 5000 is equal to C M2 minus M1 upon M2 plus L dash plus 187.5. So 3750 is equal to C 286 minus 106 by 286 plus L dash plus 187.5. So 3562.5 is equal to C multiplied 180 by 286 plus L dash. Okay, the L dash is equal to 3562.5 minus C in the bracket 180 by 286. The material balance of the solute in a feed, the solute in a crystals from the produced plus the solute in a mother liquor. The X dash F is equal to C M1 by M2 plus L dash X. Okay, again repeated, water in a feed part માટે છે is equal to water of the crystallizations plus water in a mother liquor plus water evaporated. બરાબર, જે એન્ટરન્સ પાર્ટ છે એ તમને બતાવ્યું છે. હવે વેલ્યુઝ છે આપણી પાસે 0.75 મલ્ટીપ્લાય 5000 is equal to C in a multiply M2 minus M1 upon M2 plus L dash plus 187.5. So 3750 is equal to C in a bracket 286 minus 106 by 286 plus L dash plus 187.5. So 3562.5 is equal to C in a bracket 180 by 286 plus L dash. So L dash is equal to 3562.5 minus C 180 by 286. बराबर, तो ओवरऑल मटेरियल बैलेंस ऑफ द सॉल्यूट. The solute in a feed is equal to solute in a crystals produced plus solute in a mother liquor. So X dash F is equal to C M1 upon M2 plus L dash X dash. तो find out करजो what is a C. So C is equal to yield of hydrated crystals. L dash is equal to crystals of the solvent part, water in a mother liquor. X dash is equal to solubility of anhydrous solute as the kg solute per kg solvent. अब આપણી પાસે ઓવરઓલ ઇક્વેશન્સ છે. X dash F multiply F is equal to C M1 by M2 plus 3562.5 minus C multiply 180 by 286 and a bracket multiply X dash. 0.25 multiply 5000 is equal to C 106 by 286 plus in a bracket 3562.5 minus C in the bracket 180 by 286 bracket is over 21.5 by 100. तो वैल्यूज છે આપણી પાસે 1250 is equal to 0.37 C plus 3562.5 minus 0.629 C 0.215 multiply by 1250 is equal to 0.37 C plus 765.94 minus 0.135 C 0.235 C is equal to 484.06. So C is equal to 2059.83 kg. તો yield આપણે find out કરી 2059.83 Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Where quantity of the mother liquor obtained a kg of feed minus kg of the crystals minus kg of water evaporated. So 5000 minus 2059.83 plus 187.5. So answer આવશે 2752.67 kg. Okay, simply this formula is very important in this types of example. yield find કરવા માટે તમને આ રીતનો પ્રોસેસ છે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવા માટે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં જોઈશું આપણે.